Today we're going to show you how to use and set up your calendar. So you want to log in as an administrator and go to Media Management. And for Media Management, you want to choose Calendar. And as you can see, here's an example of a calendar. And in this case, it's showing up in today. And if you want to add an event for today, you can just click on this. It says add an event to 3/5/2015. And here's how you can do this. Here's the date. Here's the event title. You can put in the start time. This is or the end time. It's very optional. The editor here gives you some things you can use to put a description of your event. You can even add some images. You can cause it to be reoccurring. Lots of great little tools here. Once you're done, just click add the event. And once you've done that, you've added an event. If you have questions about your calendar or anything else, just send us an email, support@streamingchurch.tv.